Okay, so today I'm gonna try to convince you to implement more 3D printing in your classroom by showing you an example of a student project and then kind of showing you how the printer works. So the students were asked to design some sort of biotechnology to help with a worldwide problem. This student chose water filtration. So if you take a look at her design that was in design using Tinkercad, she has a box and another piece that actually fits onto the box. So after I print them, they're going to fit together. It's going to fit inside the box, and this particular straw-like feature is meant to help filter water. If you notice, the structure is really large, so it would take a long time to print. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of shrink it down, and then I know my printer pretty well, and I know that it prints better off to the side than in the middle for the most part, just because my tape on my platform is a little bit worn down. So I'm going to move it off around there. It doesn't really matter. And then I downloaded this from Tinkercad into my MakerBot desktop app. Now I'm just going to hit print. I already have the machine on and preheated. So what it's going to do now, if you watch the printer, is it's actually going to start printing my object. You're going to see it lay down first, kind of a test piece just to make sure the machine isn't clogged, and then it'll start printing the rafts and supports for the actual design of the student. If you'll notice, it's taking a moment because the preheating process takes a long time, and some of your temperature was lost just during the process of loading and whatnot. So you'll notice it's fixing any kind of problem, like you saw that little piece of extra filament hanging off. Oh, I had my platform turned around, so that's why it's printing on this corner instead of the other corner that you thought it might be printing on. But now you can see that the computer is starting to print the raft of the object. Right here. So it's actually right there. Then it's printing, and then I can show you a picture whenever it is finished.